how to fix TikTok direct message option not showing in less than 1 minute. So all what you want to do, guys, is very simple and easy. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it. After that, you have to go back, open the apps manager. Open the apps like this. On this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone, and then you have to scroll all the way down until you find TikTok and click on it. When you click on it, now click on the first stop and click on the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. After that, go back again and this time open the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, search for TikTok and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.